How to share music on Vero. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to share music on Vero, what you can do is, first of all, go to the application on your device. After that, tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the page. Then, go to the music icon which is over here. After you do that, search for songs, album or artist from the search bar in the top. After you select the song you want to share, you can simply select the track you want to use from over here, or now you can also add a caption to the music you want to share. After you add it, you can simply tap on next in the top right corner of your screen. Then from here you can choose your audience, or you can also make it private or public. After you do that, simply tap on post. After that, your music will be ready to be shared. So this is how you can share music on Vero. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and see you in the next one.